I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And on today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the Fancy Plans home management box. I think that's what this was this time. So Fancy Plans company is an awesome company. Quita is the one who does everything, and she's absolutely fabulous. I love her items. I'm actually one of her Patreons, so I get first dibs when she goes live with certain items. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of this and see what I got. Stay tuned. All right, so here is the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the card that shows what everything is, and this is the home management stationery box. So let's go ahead and see what all we have in here. So I got it for the A5, which is what I use. I use my Louis Vuitton Agenda GM. So this is what I'll use this for. So this is a dashboard with some home management tips, how to use a to-do list, create cleaning routines, meal prep, set up a calendar system, and get your finances in order. So I do like the floral that's on this. Okay, this is some room and linen mist. Okay, we have some washi tape that's in that same floral pattern. And I'll open that part in a second, but I want to get to these other ones first. So these are some page flags. And where love resides, memories are created, friends always belong, and laughter never ends. I don't know exactly what this is. Oh, it's 3 circle journaling cards. Okay. And we have a master to-do list. I don't know how many pages this is, but this is a lot. And it gives you a section for you to put the date, and then also you can check it off, and then your to-do list. And having something that you can check off really helps because you have that sense of accomplishment. Okay, now this is also a paper clip, or maybe not a paper clip, but I'll figure out what it is. And here's a cleaning out list. Oh, this is a paper clip, a gold paper clip. Okay. Oh, what a beautiful keychain. So I do like a little keychain with the little hexagon and the little silver embellishments. Oh, and a new pen. You know, I'm a pen girl, and it has Fancy Plans on it, so that's pretty neat. And then let's see what this is. If you don't love it or use it, it's clutter. That is so true. So this is like some notepads, and you know, that saying is great. Like I always say, if it's not a hell yes, it's a hex no. Now let's open up this little envelope and see what's in here. So the envelope is something that you can definitely reuse and put things in. Okay, and this is just some other sticky notes. It's lined and just 2 columns. You can utilize this for various things. This is, I forgot what these are called. It's a clear plastic card, but you can put these little things on them and use them like for journaling and things like that. Here's some other stickies, a clear plastic. Oh, that's a sticker sheet. Okay. And then these are some other stickers with, you know, some cleaning motivation. The little lady with the toilet, and these are really nice. The feather duster and the broom. And then some floral stickers, and then a list that says what everything is. So overall, I'm definitely excited with all of these things. I will show you some pictures on Instagram, if you're following me on Instagram, of how I use these items in my A5 agenda. So if you have not been to Fancy Plans website, I will leave a link to it just so you can check it out and see what all she has to offer. So thank you very much for participating in this unboxing, and you have a divine day. Goodbye.